Connect Podcast.
Hello and welcome to our Connect podcast. My name is Lennart Holtkemper from Connect, and today's episode we are recording at the Connect Conference 2022 in Dresden. Like in the last years, the Connect Conference is all about 5G, digitalization, Open-RAN, the future of mobile networks, and furthermore, fixed line and broadband are important topics. Over 2 days, we have invited our top-notch speakers to join us in the podcast studio and interviewed them about their topics and wishes for the development of the industry. We will publish the interviews in several episodes and you can find them all here on our channel. So feel free to browse, and now let's get started.
My name is Sascha Hellermann. I'm a member of the board at COCUS and responsible for 5G business development, so bringing 5G as a product of ourselves into the market to our customers. But not only directly, but also indirectly by finding partners, a partner ecosystem to provide commonly 5G to industry customers.
So how is your company helping to shape the future of mobile networks?
Yes, how? By providing our own 5G mobile private network solution. We have more than 20 years of experience in the mobile telecommunication network, and that's the foundation of our own 5G mobile private network proposition, where we said, okay, with the availability of getting an own frequency spectrum by the Bundesnetzagentur as an industry or public customer for my own campus area, I'm now available and able to set up my own private network and operate it for different use cases and purpose I may have today as well as in future. But as such a customer, I do need partners, because most of them do not have the knowledge of running a 5G mobile private network. And that's why I said, okay, we want to be a partner for the industry to set up and run and operate such a 5G mobile private network. And to make it easier for customers, we're not looking for proprietary telco solutions. We're looking for IT-based solutions. That's why we said our aim is providing Open-RAN-based 5G mobile private networks to customers, because it's based on standard hardware and standard software components. And as we said, we're an IT solution provider and we want to provide IT solutions for IT departments. And that's what's highly accepted by our customers, having IT solutions instead of proprietary solutions to run and obtain. Yeah.
To change it on the way as they like.
As they like, and to integrate it in their IT processes and infrastructure as well. That's a very big demand for integrating new systems and services into existing IT landscapes. They do not want to run a black box solution with own tools. They want to integrate and fully integrate it into their existing IT infrastructure. And that's our approach, and that's the way of Open-RAN. Yes.
Yeah, your keynote was about what can we expect from 5G. So for you personally, what is the importance of 5G?
The importance is, as said, that I'm now able to run my own 5G mobile private network on my own area. And that's a big benefit towards Wi-Fi, because I can obtain private frequency spectrum from the Bundesnetzagentur. So no one is allowed to use the same frequency spectrum in that area. That is a big benefit towards Wi-Fi networks, because Wi-Fi networks run on public frequencies anyone or any application can use and can then disturb such a Wi-Fi network. So 5G network is a private network that cannot be disturbed or by other interferences, and that provide other benefits like seamless handover whenever you talk about remote control things or automated guided vehicles. Any interruption in communication will cause a stop of the vehicle, and that's not what you want. So you want to have seamless handover for seamless operations.
And for security, of course.
And for security reasons, of course, because your mobile private network is an isolated network with no interoperability to other existing outside networks. So your data will be in your control in your campus network. Yes. Anytime, yes. So mobile business critical communication with requirement for high bandwidth and low latency. That's the aim and the benefit of a 5G mobile private network.
And we have a private network, 5G private network, right here in Dresden at the Connect conference, because you brought one with you.
Yes, exactly. So we applied a test frequency from the Bundesnetzagentur to bring and provide a 5G mobile private network here in the Hilton Hotel in Dresden. And yes, we are covering the whole conference area with the COCUS 5G mobile private network.
And yeah, the case you brought with you is just like a regular suitcase, some kind.
It's a very small 19-inch rack with one server and two antennas. And we have brought a smart factory use case while connecting a robot with a 5G modem to attach the robot to a 5G network to demonstrate that you do not need to buy new robots on your hardware, that you can do some what's so-called retrofitting, attach 5G modem to a robot and then make it available to use 5G networks.
Mm-hmm. What would be your wish for the development of the industry?
Being more innovative, being not afraid in new technology, and becoming again market leader for innovative products and services. Mm-hmm. And that starts with not only 5G, with digitization at all.
And you think Germany is a little bit behind in terms of digitalization?
In my opinion, Germany is a little bit conservative. But that is known by the Bundesregierung, and they have raised a lot of public funded projects. And we see that the industry is adapting those projects. The biggest one is what we do at the Seaport at Wismar. It's a public funded project, Portable 5.0, where we set up a 5G network for a digitization playground at the Seaport of Wismar. And that is what brings the industry forward, and that helps us gaining speed in digitization.
So what will be important for your company in the future? What topics?
For COCUS in general?
Yes.
For our 5G proposition, definitely the adaptation of the industry towards 5G mobile private networks. That also brings the industry in providing devices that can be used by the industry, because it's a chicken egg problem. If you do not have devices, why should you buy a 5G mobile private network? So the availability of 5G mobile private network enabled devices will bring the 5G train up and running for us, and for all the core business of COCUS, data analytics, security, software development, connectivity, all those areas then can happen with our customers as well. So once you do have a 5G mobile private network, you generate very quickly a lot of data that needs to be analyzed, that needs to be integrated, so software development, data analytics, and that needs to be secured end to end. And this is what helps us with our core proposition, enabling and helping customers in digitization with 5G as a core infrastructure.
So it's like, you can offer the whole line. Value chain.
Yes,
right.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes, that's our approach and our aim.
So thank you very much for your time here.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, and have a good day.